Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Police cars in Dubai can go at 267 meter per hour. The northern lights can make popping, crackling, and other noises. It does not occur regularly and it can be difficult to hear. Forest fires can be sparked by sunlight magnified by water on dried out leaves. Egg rolls are an American invention, but spring rolls are authentically Chinese. The snow at the South Pole reflects sound so well you can hear people talking a mile away. England, which invented the sport of cricket, has not won a single World Cup in 44 years. In 18th century America, Thanksgiving was celebrated with a day of fasting and prayer. In the 1940s, air conditioning became popular in movie theaters, advertised as cool entertainment. More than 80,000 bartenders in America have university degrees. The USA is the world's leading producer and consumer of gravel, producing about a quarter of the world's gravel. The modern Spanish Navy is still called the Armada. Self-driving cars play Grand Theft Auto to learn how to drive better. The US has more land suitable for producing maple syrup than Canada does. Only a small geographic portion of Canada is actually suitable to grow sugar maples. The speed of the wind has fallen by 60% in the last 30 years. The world's tallest tropical tree is 330 feet tall and weighs more than a jetliner. Panasonic made a monster 152-inch display TV back in 2012 which cost an eye-watering €600,000. A 1965 Barbie came with a diet book that advised readers not to eat at all. Over the past 200 years, toilets have added 20 years to human lifespan. Norway has tripled the size of its forest over the last 100 years. A full head of human hair is strong enough to support 12 tons. Despite spending half his career in saddle, actor Clint Eastwood is allergic to horses. Study finds millennials would rather have pets than kids. The least interesting day in history is 11th April 1954. Most people believe other people's social lives are richer and more active than their own, a study found. In 2010, a group of 15 monkeys escaped a research institute in Japan by using trees to catapult themselves over a 17 feet high electric fence. Earlier, telephone lines were open line, which means that phones were always connected and one just had to pick up the phone and start talking. Hello was used then to grab the person's attention who is on the other side of the line. As the road gets hot, it raises the temperature of the air just above the road surface. When the light rays from the sky reach the warmer layer just above the road, they get refracted to our eyes. Thus, the water that you see on the road is not water, but a reflected image of the sky. There is a term for a soggy slice of pizza that has a gross gooey layer between the base and the toppings It's called the gum line. It's caused when dough is undercooked or it's topped with sauce or cheese that's recently been pulled from the refrigerator. Deep in breath from our mouth provides a quick burst of extra oxygen to help deal with startling events. An oxygen boost allows our brain to repair, regenerate, and handle the situation in a better way. Did you know that the less your car weighs, the more efficiently it runs? By reducing your car weight by 20%, you can get 8% more mileage on a tank of gas. Rubbing your face or pressing your eyes lowers the heart rate and gives some relief. There is a weird connection between the nerve that serves the face and the nerve that runs to the heart. Bacteria are transferred from paddy field soil to rice. Cooking kills the bacteria but produces spores. When cooked rice is left at room temperature, the warm, damp conditions awaken the spores of bacteria. In 2013, a climber found a box full of rubies, sapphires, and emeralds on a remote glacier on Mount Blanc. Authorities determined they were likely from an Indian plane that crashed there in 1966. Wall of China, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Rajasthan. Tulips, Amsterdam. Tulip Garden, Kashmir. Sahara Desert, Egypt. Thar Desert, Rajasthan. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. Qutub Minar, Delhi. Grand Canyon, USA. Gandikota Hills, Andhra Pradesh. Arc de Triomphe, France. Qutub Minar, Delhi. Big Ben Clock, London. Rajabai Tower, Mumbai. Niagara Falls, Canada. Chitrakoot Falls, Chhattisgarh. Thanks for watching.